Ano?
Hi!
Ay! Arte.
No, sabi mo cute naman ako.
Good morning guys! Another day, another vlog. Today we are going to...
Happy birthday!
Today we are going to Aqua Planet. May kulang pa tayo?
Spaghetti! Gary!
Ano yung kinakain niyo?
Hamburger! Ang arte mo, no? Happy birthday!
Ayun no? Birthday.
Wow, walang tao. Very good.
Ano? Wala. Aqua Planet.
Oh, sige po, park na lang po, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay guys, we are here. Let us eat first before going inside. Okay guys, let's go. Hey.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life.
Ipo, thank you.
Ayun, dito ba kasi mag-ano ng locker?
O, anong gagawin natin?
O, hanap muna tayo ng pwede dito ba dyan? Malapit ka lang dito sa locker. Or what?
Focus. Okay guys, I'm now going to change my swim attire.
Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off it all again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life.
Okay na. Kasi magagalit ang mga anak ko. Hindi ako bumili noon.
We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made?
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. See you in our next vlog. Peace. Vlogs mo na.
Feel again, I feel again, oh now.
So, okay lang dito.
Alam mo si Daddy DP na bumili.
Oh, ay, matanda na. As usual, since we are Filipinos, we are taking pictures. Pictures daw.
That's for the road.